In this video, I will tell you every reason why you need to stop using your Visa card or MasterCard to procure and ship from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app right here in this video. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right here on this channel, someone made a comment to one of my videos on how to ask for a refund on Pinduoduo, and I'm going to put the comment right here on the screen of this video. So this person states that, "Hello, can you help me? I use Visa card to purchase the goods, and then suddenly the merchant refund the money and said it has been refunded to my Visa bank card, but I never see the money arrive to my Visa card. What should I do?" Alright, so in a situation like this, I always emphasize that you should always contact the supplier if eventually you want to make a purchase with your Visa card or MasterCard on Pinduoduo. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you always contact the supplier and let them assure you that the item is available in stock before you make payment on Pinduoduo with your Visa card or MasterCard. So if you have issue like this and you make payment with Visa card or MasterCard, here to address this issue, the fact that you make payment with MasterCard or Visa card, there is no way you are going to get the refund back into your bank card, whether Visa or MasterCard. This is because the MasterCard and Visa card you use to make payment on Pinduoduo was not recognized by Chinese payment system. I want to believe that the MasterCard or Visa card you made use to make the purchase is a foreign bank card. It's not a Chinese recognized bank card. That is one of the reasons why you will never get your refunded money back successful into your bank card, because this refund process is going to be very much difficult for Chinese banking system to refund the money back successfully. So the money will just be hanging and lost forever. To be on the safer side of this kind of issue, I am not saying you should not make payment to the Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo with your Visa card or MasterCard. But before you make that payment to any of the supplier, before you make a purchase for any of the item on Pinduoduo using your MasterCard or Visa card, it is your responsibility to contact the supplier, let them assure you that they have the item in stock before you go ahead and make payment with your Visa card or MasterCard. So by doing that, you will not have issue of asking for a refund or the refund has been sent to you, and at the long run you lost the money and lost the item. And alternatively, it is always recommended that you make use of Alipay to pay any Chinese supplier or purchase any item on Pinduoduo. This is because Alipay is very safe and secure, and if you have issue of refund, your refund will get to your Alipay account within a second. This is because the payment is done between Chinese and Chinese. It's not between Chinese and foreign country. So you have to understand the fact that when you are making your payment on Pinduoduo, it is always advisable to make payment with Alipay, which is very much secure and protected. And if you have any issue with Alipay, you can get your refund back successfully. So this is what I want to explain to you as far as what you need to stop doing when you are trying to procure and ship from China using Pinduoduo shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to click on that subscribe for more importation business tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.